welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel, I discuss personal finance and hope to help somebody else through my personal experience. If you are interested in these topics, don't be shy to join the family and watch me on my journey. This video, I will be discussing my sinking funds. So, it is the end of December. You'll probably be seeing this early January, but I'm just gonna close out my sinking funds. I did a video on setting up my sinking funds, but that didn't go up on the channel. Don't know why, but yes, this is me closing out my sinking funds. So off camera, I went through my 2 paychecks of this month, and I saw what I added and what I did not. I saw how much money I added to each envelope, cash sinking funds, and I will be just writing that down right here. And then we're going to see how much money we have left. So, we added $35 to car savings. We added $5 to travel. We added $15 to online business, $20 to emergency fund. We added $10 to doctors. We added $30 to school. Christmas we got $5. Hold on, let me put this a little closer. Christmas we got $5. Miscellaneous got $10. Membership has $7. Anniversary got $5. Birthdays got $115. So if you don't know, it's not my birthday. Oh, let's just zoom you in. It's not my birthday, even though the envelope says my birthday. But it is not. It is for my boyfriend's birthday that is coming up so soon. So that got $115 this month. Gifts got $5. Shopping got $5. Curlfest $0. SG Row $3. Haircuts. I feel like I gave something to haircuts. Hold on. Haircuts got $5. I knew I was missing. Okay, so haircuts got $5. Broadway got $0. Car maintenance got $5. House down payment got $0. I feel like I gave something, but whatever. MacBook got $0. Did I forget something? Nope, MacBook actually got $0. Valentine's Day got $10. Passport got $0. And stickers got $20. Alright, so now that we got our start addition, let's get to our total so we can figure out our subtraction. Okay. So let's start with car maintenance. So it says I took out how did I say 35? Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't adding up. 15, 30. Yeah, it's 35. Anyways, from the looks of it, this doesn't seem accurate at the current moment, but this is how much I have right now. I have 115. I bought a car mount because I thought I was, actually I owe myself $2.07, but I thought I had a car, but whatever. Anyways, so 115. So that means that's 130, 120. Wow, 35 equals minus 105. That means I lost a total of $40 from that sinking fund. Now on to travel. Travel, we have 20, 25, 30, 35. I have 35. So I lost a total of $5. Where did that $5 go? Well, according to this, it happened between my first paycheck and the time I did my log. So, and before I did this, because this is a recent creation I did. But yeah, if you are interested in these or any of the stuff that I have, that I am showing or using, everything will be in the description. Online business, I have 15. So that means I did not use anything. $15. Go back in. Emergency fund. I only have $11. I do remember using $100 to go to my credit card because I was just tired. And I feel like I use some for my, you know, Metro cards, because that is an emergency. If I have no way of getting to work, it's an emergency. Especially since my miscellaneous fund is not fully funded in a sense, so it has to come from somewhere. So I lost plus 20 minus 11. Like, wow, that's actually crazy. I lost $173. Oh, wow. Back to square one. Doctor, I have 45, 2, 3, 13, 35, 40, 45. I have 45. So that means I lost nothing. School, I have $30. So that means I lost nothing. Christmas has $0, which is, you know, reasonable because Christmas is gone, and that means we used our Christmas budget to the full capacity, which was $25. So not really mad at it. Miscellaneous has 0. Because I decided to go take an Uber, so it had to come from somewhere. So came from miscellaneous. 0. That means I lost $15. Membership should have $7. 5, 6, 7. So we do have 7. We lost nothing. Anniversary should have 5. It does actually have a $5 bill, nothing else. So we did not lose anything here. Francine's birthday. We actually have nothing. It said I had, oh, I added 20, what? So on the 12th, I had $80. So that's more than this. More than 15 that it shows. Then, well, anyways, I had 170. It shows right here. When I counted the money on the 19th, I had 170. Now I have 0 because I bought his gift. So I'm just going to say 170 is what I lost. And I'm going to put parentheses. I don't know why this said gifts had 128. Because I don't remember gifts being that big. But I have 0. So technically, I guess I lost 133. Let me check November. Something fun. It had $31. Oh, yes, I remember. I moved gifts and I separated gifts to put to the birthday fund. An anniversary, I think. Oh well, I'll write notes next time. I know better now. Shopping has $5. If you see, $5 only. Not gonna take it out. It's only 5. I lost nothing. Coral Fest has nothing, so I lost nothing. Let's see how much I have. 1, 2, 3, 3, so I lost nothing. Now, let's go to my wonderful products that I've created. Ooh, I made a hole. Okay, so now we have haircuts. I'm gonna throw these out or donate them, or you know, give them to somebody, a subscriber, if they would like it, because I'm gonna make a bigger one, like this size. 'Cause I don't like the small sizes. So if you do want this and it fits your wallet, let me know. Haircuts says 5. I took $5 out because I booked a hair appointment, which was $25. The 20 came from my me category. Then next is, let's put it like this. Then next is Broadway show. Broadway show has 0. So that means I lost 10. House down payment should have $10. It still has $10. Oh, I skipped one. I skipped car maintenance. Car maintenance should have $5. It actually still has $5. Okay. Oh. Mac should have $20. I don't think that 20 there. Oh, yep, the 20 not there. Stickers should have 20. I know it's nothing in here because I purchased a sticker kit. So Valentine's Day has $10. And then Passport has minus. It was supposed to have $10, but it has nothing. Okay. So looking at this, I have I didn't really advance this pay period, especially in the areas that I should have, but it's cool. It's whatever. Let's see how much we have in total. So we have 115 plus 35 plus 15 plus 11 plus 45 plus 30 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10. I have 290. It's not the number that I would like to be at, but at the end of the day, some of these sinking funds have served their purpose. For example, the birthday fund, I was able to purchase the birthday, outing. Still gotta save more, obviously, because we're not just doing one thing. Still gotta save some more, but I saved a lot. Emergency fund could have been better. Could have been better. Car savings, we're still, in the high hundreds. Well, not high hundreds, but we're still up there, even though it was a $40 loss, but it's okay. I already bought a car mount, so can't really be mad. I bought what was intended for the car. What else served this purpose? Christmas served this purpose. Saved up for Christmas, and now Christmas is done, and the gifts is here, and I'm good. What else? That's basically it. Everything else was just trying to fund miscalculations of other things. But yeah, that is basically it. I will see you in the next video. Hopefully you had a wonderful new year. If this is after New Year's, but if this is before New Year's, I hope you have a wonderful new year. So yeah, so be safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.